Okay, we've just got these parts back from being anodised, so I think it's time we assemble them.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
How you going on?
We've finished the Christmas project,
Excellent.
and that's the final result.
Wow, that's really amazing. I'm sure our customers are going to really appreciate that and the amount of time and effort that's gone into it. What was the most difficult part of this project?
Probably like making the design, like so that it works.
Right.
That was probably the hardest bit.
Well, the end result is fantastic and will look amazing on many people's Christmas trees this year.
That's good.
So hopefully you're thinking about what we're going to start next year. So to thank you both for all the hard work and the effort that you've done on this particular project, we've got you a calibrated set of verniers.
Don't have to use this anymore.
You've done a really good job. Hopefully you've found it useful. You've learned a lot from the project.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well done.
Thank you.
Great job. Well done, Sam. Well done, Arrun.
Cheers.